In this video, we will be discussing the different provinces comprising Region VIII or Eastern Visayas. Eastern Visayas is one of the 17 regions of the Philippines and it is a part of the Visayas Island Group. The regional center for Region VIII or Eastern Visayas is Tacloban City. It is composed of 6 provinces, 7 cities, 136 municipalities, and 4,390 barangays. The 6 provinces comprising Region VIII are the following: the Province of Biliran, Province of Eastern Samar, Province of Leyte, Province of Northern Samar, Province of Samar, and the Province of Southern Leyte. The regional center is the city of Tacloban in the province of Leyte. Region VIII is bordered by the following: the Philippine Sea, Leyte Gulf, Surigao Strait, Bohol Sea, Canigao Channel, Camotes Sea, Visayan Sea, Samar Sea, Ticao Pass, and the San Bernardino Strait. For the province of Biliran, the capital is Naval. It is composed of 0 cities, 8 municipalities, and 132 barangays. For the province of Eastern Samar, the provincial center is Borongan City. It is composed of 1 city, 22 municipalities, and 597 barangays. For the province of Leyte, the provincial capital is Tacloban City. It is composed of 3 cities, 40 municipalities, and 1,503 barangays. For the province of Northern Samar, the provincial center is Catarman. It is composed of 0 city, 24 municipalities, and 569 barangays. For the province of Samar, the provincial capital is Catbalogan City. It is composed of 2 cities, 24 municipalities, and 951 barangays. For the province of Southern Leyte, the provincial capital is Maasin City. It is composed of 1 city, 18 municipalities, and 500 barangays. And that is all about Region VIII or Eastern Visayas. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.